Imagine a world where you unlock a business that not only challenges the status quo but also turns risk into profit every single day. What if I told you that a little-known industry holds the secret to financial independence and continuous cash flow? Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of bail offices, a niche where opportunity meets strategy. In the next 15 minutes, you will discover exactly how to harness the power of the bail bonds industry, learn the essential steps for launching a profitable bail office, and understand the secrets that separate thriving businesses from those that never take off. Get ready to transform your financial mindset and unlock a pathway to consistent income. Topic 1. Understanding the bail industry, how it works and why it's profitable. The bail industry stands as a unique intersection between the legal system and private entrepreneurship. At its core, bail bonds serve as a financial guarantee that enables individuals to secure temporary freedom pending court proceedings. This business thrives because it addresses an immediate need, ensuring people can quickly regain liberty when facing legal challenges. Beyond the basic mechanics, the industry's profitability stems from the urgency and emotional intensity that often accompanies legal troubles. When lives are on the line, families and individuals are willing to invest in rapid solutions, making bail bonds an indispensable service. This creates a demand that is steady and, in many cases, recession-resistant. Understanding this niche means recognizing that it is not merely about money, it's about trust, responsibility, and the intersection of law and personal crisis. The emotional landscape of each case adds a human element to the business, making it as much about compassion as it is about financial gain. This duality attracts a variety of clients who need both speed and reliability. As you explore the intricacies of the bail system, consider its cyclical nature. Legal cases emerge daily, ensuring a constant influx of potential clients. The system is built to serve an essential role in society, and by positioning yourself as a trusted intermediary, you tap into a market with built-in longevity. It's this very combination of necessity and continuous demand that makes the bail industry so profitable. Topic 2. The business model. How a bail office makes money. The financial framework of a bail office revolves around multiple revenue streams that work together to generate consistent income. Primarily, you earn through fees charged for processing bail bonds, typically a percentage of the total bail amount. This percentage, usually non-refundable, forms the backbone of your earnings and sustains your business through every transaction. In addition to standard fees, bail offices often benefit from collateral agreements, where clients provide assets as security against the bond. This not only reduces your risk but also ensures that you have tangible backing in case a client defaults. The dual nature of earning fees and securing collateral creates a robust model that can weather economic fluctuations. Moreover, many bail offices incorporate late fees and administrative charges into their pricing structure. These additional charges help cover unexpected delays or complications in legal processes, ensuring that every facet of the service is monetized. By diversifying your revenue sources, you create a business model that can adapt to changes and maintain profitability over time. Ultimately, the success of a bail office hinges on balancing risk and reward. By clearly understanding each revenue component, you empower yourself to set competitive prices while managing exposure to potential losses. This strategy allows you to remain profitable even when market conditions shift, reinforcing the sustainability of your business in a challenging environment. Topic 3. Legal requirements and licensing. What you need to get started. Stepping into the bail business demands a rigorous understanding of legal prerequisites and licensing regulations. Each jurisdiction imposes specific requirements, from background checks to detailed application processes, ensuring that only qualified individuals manage these sensitive operations. Securing a license is your first formal step into this competitive industry. Navigating these legal waters involves researching state-specific mandates and aligning your business practices with local laws. Compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties, it's a cornerstone of building credibility and trust with clients and legal institutions alike. This diligent approach paves the way for smoother operations and long-term success. Practical steps include attending pre-licensing courses, gathering necessary documentation, and preparing for comprehensive background investigations. By following a methodical approach, you not only meet the regulatory standards but also set a professional tone for your business. Each legal step taken is an investment in your future reputation and operational integrity. Remember, a well-licensed bail office is viewed as a trustworthy entity in a realm where risk is high and precision is essential. Establishing yourself as compliant and well-informed signals to potential clients and partners that you are serious about providing a secure and reliable service. This foundation of legal credibility is indispensable for any entrepreneur in the bail industry. Topic 4. Initial investment and startup costs. How much do you need? Launching a bail office requires a clear understanding of the financial outlay necessary to get your business off the ground. Startup costs can include licensing fees, office setup, insurance, and capital reserves to cover initial transactions. Knowing these numbers is crucial for setting realistic expectations and ensuring that you are prepared for the investment ahead. Often, the most significant expenses are not just in acquiring licenses but in establishing a professional environment. A well-located office with the right infrastructure can significantly impact your brand's perception and client trust. Balancing these initial investments with projected revenue streams is key to achieving financial stability early on. To illustrate, consider a scenario where an entrepreneur budgets for both mandatory legal fees and the cost of high-quality office equipment. This investment not only meets regulatory requirements but also creates a space that exudes professionalism, giving potential clients confidence in your services. Strategic budgeting can make the difference between a shaky start and a robust business launch. Careful financial planning at the outset ensures that every dollar spent contributes to long-term growth. With a clear understanding of startup costs, you can also explore financing options or partnerships that reduce initial pressure. This foundational clarity is essential for any entrepreneur serious about carving out a profitable niche in the bail industry. Topic 5. Building trust and reputation, the key to long-term success. In the world of bail bonds, trust isn't just a bonus, it's the lifeblood of your business. Clients are often in distress, and their decision to work with you hinges on a deep sense of reliability and credibility. Establishing this trust starts from day one and is built through consistent, professional, and compassionate service. Building a solid reputation involves more than just excellent service, it's about forging genuine relationships with legal professionals, law enforcement, and community stakeholders. By positioning yourself as a reliable partner in the legal process, you create a network that not only brings in referrals but also fortifies your standing in the industry. Every interaction is an opportunity to reinforce your commitment to excellence. Practical strategies include sharing testimonials from satisfied clients, showcasing your licensing credentials, and maintaining transparent communication. When clients feel understood and respected, they are more likely to recommend your services to others. Over time, this network of trust becomes a powerful marketing tool that drives sustainable growth. As you work to build your reputation, remember that consistency is key. Each case handled with care, every client interaction, and all professional partnerships contribute to a legacy of trust. In an industry where reputational capital is invaluable, every decision you make adds another brick to the solid foundation of your business. Topic 6. Marketing and client acquisition. How to get a constant flow of clients. Marketing your bail office effectively is essential for ensuring a steady influx of clients. In today's digital landscape, a robust online presence combined with local outreach strategies can significantly enhance your visibility. Start by creating an informative website that clearly outlines your services, credentials, and client testimonials to build trust from the first click. Beyond digital marketing, traditional methods such as networking with local attorneys, attending legal seminars, and engaging with community events can create invaluable word-of-mouth referrals. Each of these strategies serves to build your brand and establish you as the go-to expert in the bail bonds industry. Personal connections often translate directly into business opportunities. A strong content strategy is also pivotal. By sharing insightful articles, videos, and case studies on platforms like YouTube and LinkedIn, you can educate potential clients on the benefits of your service while establishing yourself as a thought leader. This dual approach of education and marketing not only informs your audience but also builds lasting trust. Integrating modern SEO practices with grassroots networking allows you to reach diverse audiences. From paying targeted ads to engaging in community outreach, every effort should be aimed at demonstrating your authority and expertise. A well-rounded marketing strategy ensures that you are visible to those who need you most, creating a continuous cycle of client acquisition and business growth. Topic 7. Risk Management: How to Avoid Costly Mistakes and Fraud. Operating in the bail bonds industry naturally involves managing significant risks. The potential for fraud, default, or legal complications means that a robust risk management strategy is non-negotiable. This begins with thorough client vetting processes that help you assess the reliability and financial stability of each individual seeking your services. Effective risk management also involves maintaining clear, legally sound contracts and ensuring that all parties understand their obligations. By setting stringent terms and conditions, you reduce the likelihood of defaults and create a framework that protects both your business and your clients. Transparency in every transaction builds trust and minimizes unforeseen complications. Incorporating technology can further bolster your defenses against fraud. Software solutions for background checks, risk assessment, and document management streamline your operations and add a layer of security. These systems can alert you to potential red flags early on, enabling proactive measures that safeguard your business's financial health. Ultimately, a strong risk management plan is about balancing caution with opportunity. By understanding and mitigating potential pitfalls, you can operate confidently in a high-stakes environment. This proactive approach not only preserves your capital but also reinforces your reputation as a reliable and trustworthy service provider. Topic 8. Scaling the business: How to expand and multiply profits. Once your bail office is running smoothly, the next challenge is scaling your business without sacrificing quality or trust. Scaling involves replicating your successful strategies across new locations or exploring franchising opportunities. It's about taking a proven business model and extending its reach to maximize profit and market impact. The process starts with identifying key performance indicators and establishing standardized operational procedures. By documenting every successful step, you create a blueprint that can be easily replicated. This not only ensures consistency across branches but also minimizes risk as you expand your operations into new territories. Consider diversifying your services by offering additional legal or financial advisory support. Such diversification can enhance your value proposition and open up new revenue streams while reinforcing your core business. For example, partnering with local law firms or financial advisors creates a network of referral partners that can accelerate your growth. Strategic expansion is ultimately about building on your existing success. With clear metrics, standardized processes, and diversified offerings, scaling becomes a calculated progression rather than a leap of faith. By carefully managing growth, you can multiply profits while preserving the trust and efficiency that form the foundation of your business. Topic 9. Success Stories and Common Pitfalls: What separates the winners from the failures? Examining success stories in the bail bonds industry reveals a common thread: resilience and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Many thriving bail offices began as small operations with a deep commitment to customer care and a clear vision for growth. Their stories serve as a powerful reminder that success in this industry is not accidental, it's engineered through discipline and strategic insight. These success stories highlight innovative strategies such as leveraging technology, forging strong community partnerships, and continuously refining operational practices. Entrepreneurs who succeed in this field often learn from their early mistakes, using every setback as a lesson to improve their processes. Their journeys underscore the importance of perseverance and adaptability in a challenging market. On the flip side, common pitfalls include inadequate risk assessment, poor client vetting, and failure to comply with legal standards. Many businesses falter by underestimating the importance of trust and reputation. Mismanagement of funds or an overly aggressive approach to marketing can quickly tarnish a business's credibility and lead to significant financial losses. Learning from both triumphs and missteps is critical. By studying what sets successful bail offices apart, such as rigorous adherence to legal protocols and a commitment to client care, you can avoid the pitfalls that have derailed others. These real-world examples serve as a roadmap, guiding you towards sustainable success while cautioning against shortcuts that compromise quality and trust. Every day you hesitate is another opportunity missed in building a legacy of financial success and resilience. Picture the momentum you'll create by taking decisive, informed action. Remember, it's not merely about the money you earn but the smart strategies you employ to safeguard and grow it. Let today's insights be the spark that ignites your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for staying with me through this in-depth journey into the world of bail bonds. Don't let this be the end, there's so much more to learn and implement. Check out the description or the pinned comment for exclusive resources and recommendations. And keep watching because the next video on your screen holds the key to even greater financial breakthroughs.